How to notify members when a task is completed in Trello. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser and then search for Trello.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this boards option, and then after that, it will show you all the boards that you have on your account. So as an example, I'm going to open this HR work board, and then in here, let's say on this done list, I want all the members to get notified if there's an activity on this list. To do that, we'll have to tap on these three dots, and then in here on the pop-up menu, you will see this watch option. What we need to do is to toggle this one on. By doing that, whenever there's activity on this list, all the members will get notified. So as an example, I'm gonna transfer this card to this list, and after that, all the members of this list will get notified. So in here, if you want a particular card to have a notification, all you need to do is to open a card, and then in here, you will now see this option watch. What we need to do is to toggle this on. By doing that, all the members of this card will get notified when there is an activity on this card. So that's how easy we can notify members when a task is completed in Trello. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!